Expectations for longer days on market. What can home sellers expect when their home has longer days on market? With the recent shift in the market, selling a home can be an exciting but nerve-wracking experience. One of the biggest concerns for sellers is the number of days their property spends on the market. Hi, I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty. Recent data shows properties are spending longer days on the market this summer. It is important as a seller to understand that longer days on market can happen for a variety of reasons. It doesn't necessarily mean there is something wrong with your property, but rather some other factors happening in the marketplace. First, there are market conditions. If the market is slow, it may take longer to find a buyer. This is especially true in markets that have more inventory than demand. Also, you need to look at your pricing. If your home is priced higher than similar properties in the area, it may take longer to attract an offer. Pricing competitively is the key to avoid sitting on the market. As a seller, you also need to look at the presentation of your home. Is it well staged, decluttered, and in good condition? These types of properties tend to sell faster. Maybe investing in minor repairs and updates can make a big difference. As a seller, you may want to consider these strategies to help move the sale. First, reevaluate your pricing. Work with your agent to assess if a price adjustment is needed. You may want to also enhance your marketing efforts and be sure your home is properly exposed to the masses. And finally, small and subtle changes can go a long way. Maybe freshen up the curb appeal with some fresh landscaping or even a new front door. Of course, the most important thing to avoid longer days on market is working with an experienced agent that can provide valuable insight and marketing strategy. Reach out to my team and I so we can help you strategize your sale and help you avoid longer days on market. I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty, giving you your perfect home made in LA.